Today we're going to show you how to use an adapted one-hand cutting board, and I'm going to go over the features with you, and then Candace will demonstrate how to use it. So this board has the 4 suction cups in the back, and this is good for pressing down and stabilizing the board so that as you're cutting it won't slip. And then it has the 2 elevated sides here, and this is a great tool so as you're cutting that you can place the food on the side and it doesn't fall off. And you can also use it to stabilize your bread or your crackers, so when you're making your peanut butter sandwich you can spread the peanut butter and these 2 edges will stabilize the bread so it doesn't fall off. It also has these 2 prongs here, and this is where you would place the food, and that way it'll hold the food so that you can cut with a knife, and that way it won't be slipping. So this board is great to use with your clients that have had a CVA and are having weakness and are only able to use one hand, or can use these with other populations such as those with MS or TBI, or anybody that's having issues and can only use one hand. So this will increase their independence in their kitchen prep. So Candace, if you'll go ahead and demonstrate for us how to use the board.
So first what you want to do is be sure that these suction cups are secure and that the board isn't going to move when you get ready to operate it. We're going to start with an apple. These prongs again are used to stabilize whatever you're cutting. So you just press down like this. And it's really good because you don't have to use both of your hands if you have upper extremity weakness, or if you don't have the use of another hand to stabilize. It's a lot easier. So there's that. Let's move these to the side. Then you can also use it for spreading peanut butter, jelly, butter, things like that. And again, these walls are used to stabilize whatever the food it is that you are preparing. And there's that. The prongs can also be used for longer foods like bananas or cucumbers, carrots, different vegetables. It's really easy to cut because it stabilizes the food in order for you to use the board one-handedly. Again, like Leslie mentioned, it's really good for clients that may not have the use of their other extremity weakness, upper extremity weakness. One thing I would say is be sure to be aware of the spikes on the board. That could be a safety hazard, and also being sure to clean the board thoroughly when storing, and making sure that when you do store it, it's in a safe space. So when you get ready to retrieve the board for the next time, you're not poking your hands on anything like that. So that is it.